Good day, everyone. It's time for J7409 weather. Let's roll out some weather today for everybody. We're looking at the NDFD map. Of course, this is a map where all of the meteorologists from all of the reporting stations in the lower 48 get together and put their forecasts together. And this is what the majority of them are saying. I'll let it loop through right quick. Today, of course, is Monday, the 16th of March, 2020. In weather headlines, we got some heavy snow. It's going to produce multiple feet of snow for the Sierra Nevada. Now, we have a slight risk of some excessive rainfall over parts of Southern California, and also a chance of maybe a severe thunderstorm popping up today in the Big Bend area. Of course, this goes through Wednesday at the 12Z run. As you can see, we're going to go check out some more things, but let's put it back early on the today's 12Z run, 18Z. You can see we'll go a little slower. What's going on and where the activity may happen. By Wednesday 12Z, looking like we could have a lot of freezing rain and ice mixtures up from all the way over to Wisconsin, Minnesota, North Dakota. Lots of rain's going to be happening in these areas by Wednesday also. The temperatures, it gets cold, it gets hot. We're still going through that, folks. It's a wonder we all don't have something, okay, when it comes to the weather. But what happens is this. We've got these low pressures over here, but this one right here is going to sneak up and combine with these, and a secondary front is what it will produce. And I'm going to show you all that in just a moment. First off, I'd like to say thank you for watching. I appreciate it very much. If you're into the weather, please subscribe, and along with when things break out in this world that we need to pay attention to, I always put those up in the news also. I'm not going to, in this forecast, talk about COVID-19. That will happen in a separate video today. Hopefully, I'll be up to it. I'm feeling a little stronger each day, so thank you for all the prayers and the well wishes, and don't stop. We need to pray for everyone all the time, okay? So please click subscribe, click that bell, and then check off all to ensure you get all the latest in weather news, forecasts, watches, warnings, any storms that may be coming your way, and when it comes to related news, period, that matters, you'll be sure and get it. I'd appreciate that very, very much. Now, I told you we do have a chance of maybe a little bit of severe weather today, and it's a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms across the Big Bend area of Texas, as you can see right in here. Now, these thunderstorms, if they become severe, they should be making up and happening this afternoon into the early evening hours. In this very same location, right in here, we do have a 5% chance of severe downdraft winds, along with a 5% chance of some hail. No, it doesn't look like anything's going to happen to produce tornadoes at this time. I will watch it throughout the day. If anything develops in this area, I'll be sure and let you know. But you can go ahead and get right. There is that chance that you may have some severe thunderstorms with some hail and some gusty downdraft winds. Other than that, it's going to rain, folks. Rain, rain, rain. All the way from Texas over here into parts of Georgia, Alabama, northern Mississippi, a lot of Tennessee. Even before today is over, as this system begins to move through, we could have some spotty showers up and down the East Coast. Over here, this system coming in, rain in California, Nevada, northern Utah, Idaho, Oregon, this is going to push on up as a secondary system I'm going to show you and tell about it in a moment is going to bring snow, and some snow is going to be over in California today also. So as far as severe weather goes, we do have that chance in the Big Bend area of Texas. When it comes to COVID-19, before we get on with this, I would like to tell everyone that overnight there were at least 200 more cases. That has happened in the U.S. Last evening at 7 p.m. when I stopped writing numbers down, it was 3,594. This morning at 6 a.m., 3,802. And I am sure there's going to be many, many more. One thing they don't talk about a lot, but I want to tell you right quick about this. A lot of people are getting sick. It's not being severe. In some cases, of course, we know it is very severe, and we've had many deaths. But if you catch it a second time, the secondary infection is very lethal. The mortality rate with a secondary infection is 100%. So, I just want to throw that in and let you know that. I'm not trying to scare you, trying to make you aware. Now, we've got the NAM map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits for today. Let me turn it on and let it roll. We got an upper level low. Now, it's slowly moving southward along the west coast, and it's going to do so tomorrow right on through Wednesday morning. And what's going to happen, it's going to push a slow-moving cold front ahead of it through California as a stall front remains across the Intermountain West. Now, put all that together, the upper level low will aid in streaming a plume of moisture into southern and central California through tomorrow afternoon. These features, they're expected to lead to persistent precipitation for the Great Basin into California and heavy snow. I'm talking heavy snow will develop over the higher elevations, excuse me, of the Sierra Nevada area. This is going to produce snow measured in multiple feet, my friends. Now, in the lower elevations of coastal California, it's rain. Rain's going to continue through tomorrow morning, and the rainfall amounts could be over 2 inches, and that's going to cause scattered flooding and flash flooding in some locations, especially in urban areas that have burn scars. They could have some problems with this, so you need to be aware of it. A secondary surge of moisture will move into parts of central California as rain returns to the coastal northern central California areas by late tomorrow evening. Now, a front will meander across the southern plains through the lower Mississippi Valley and southeast through tomorrow night. Now, the moisture from the western Gulf of Mexico, it's going to stream northward, and if you watch this map, you'll see it happen. It's going to stream northward over the southern plains right on into the lower Mississippi Valley, overrunning the front, producing the scattered showers and thunderstorms across those regions and northward. Now, the rain amounts could reach over 1 inch across portions of Texas, eastern Oklahoma, and Arkansas through tonight. So there is some potential for some isolated flash flooding. Now, the Big Bend area that I've been talking about of Texas, you can expect the possibility of these severe thunderstorms today, as I've showed you. Lighter rain is possible for the Tennessee Valley, lower Ohio Valley, the southeastern sections for today into tomorrow, as I showed you on that map also, and you can see it push through here if you watch the timestamp for today. Now, overnight tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms will expand northward into parts of the Central Plains and Middle Mississippi Valley, while rain and snow will develop over parts of the Upper Mississippi Valley into parts of the Upper Great Lakes overnight Tuesday right on into Sunday. Now, the snow will also move eastward across the Upper Great Lakes today and overnight today into tomorrow. Snow and rain will move into the New England area, exiting the area overnight on Tuesday. And here it comes right here. You can see as it moves on out. Now, the northern high plains will remain below average temperature-wise the next couple of days. And the west coast should also have high temperatures, 10 to 20 degrees below average, with the influence from the upper low. Meanwhile, south of the front, the Gulf Coast states, it's going to be warm temperatures, generally about 10 degrees above average. And that's a check of your weather today. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, my friends. I love each and every one of you so much. Thank you for all the prayers. Don't stop them. I'd appreciate it if you keep on. I'm feeling better every day, and I know it's from the help from you guys and our Savior. So don't stop praying. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, sharing this information. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you for watching.